In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF image to GitHub. This is a great way to make your repository more visually engaging, whether you're adding an animated example to your README or demonstrating how your project works. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to add your GIF. Once you're inside the repository, click on the Add File button near the top of the file list. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Upload Files. You'll now be taken to the Upload page where you can add your GIF from your computer. You can either drag and drop the GIF directly into the upload area or click Choose Your Files to browse your computer. If you choose to browse, locate the GIF you want to upload, select it and click Open. Your GIF will now appear in the upload area, ready to be added to your repository. Next, scroll down and click Commit Changes. GitHub will upload the GIF and save it to your repository. Depending on the file size, this may take a moment to complete. Once the upload is finished, go back to your repository and locate the GIF you just uploaded. Click on it to open the file and confirm that the animated image has been uploaded successfully. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF image to your GitHub repository. Thanks for watching.